Man, you smoking this thing, dude. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Yeah. Okay. What vehicle is this in the year?
Yeah, 84 Monte.
Monte Carlo in here. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a big chunk.
Yeah, and then it's a 80 amp hour headway backup on the Death Box 12.5K.
Okay.
But I'm wired to 2 ohms, so.
Is this the Korean or the? Oh yeah, got it. The
Brazilian.
Okay. I was trying to see what model. The Atom series.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else? Batteries?
My headway. And then I have a 400 amp Macman under the hood.
Okay. This is a metal vehicle and it's still flexing.
Oh, dude. It flexes like crazy.
It is? Okay. Anything under the hood?
See if I can pop it.
Okay. How many miles on this thing? You don't know? I know it's an older vehicle, that's why I ask. Woo.
That's a Macman 400.
Custom bracket for that, or it just fit right?
It's a, so I converted my stock 350 to a serpentine bell style.
Okay, got it. Nice. Awesome. Thank you for showing me.
You want to hear it?
Oh yeah, you know I like to hear. How you doing? How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He's about to give me a demo of his Monte Carlo.
Here, you can, honey, will you put that out of the way?
What size rims? 24s. You might want to shut the trunk, or is it louder? So what sound cubes are those? Okay, the 3s. All right. Man. Pop the trunk real quick again. Can I see the back? Woo. It's crazy the pressure that this cabin holds. The metal. Uh-oh. Dude. He's cooking them. They still good? Put something on medium frequency, play some lows to cool it off. Man, you smoking this thing, dude. Yeah, play some lows, let him cool off a little. He is playing. He was going full tilt for the demo.
I got 2 more 12s at the house. If I blow one, fine.
Okay. Oh, so that's where your port is. Okay. I didn't know until the smoke. I'm sorry.
Lock them up.
He was playing pretty much full tilt to clip in and heat the coils up. It caused them to smoke. But when he pressed on them, they're still good. But the coils get really, really hot, which is not recommended to do that. Yeah. Smoke means the coils are probably 180 plus degrees. Everything good? Yeah. There you go.
Nah, it's my fault. Oh, how about that? I've been playing the whole way here, so you know what I mean?
I got an HDX 418. I had that to quarter almost 7,500 something.
See, I'm only going to need a 2 ohm, but I'm on a 12.5 cut.